Guys, I was able to help this channel get over 4,600 hours in just 3 days. 3 whole days, not 3 months, guys, 3 days. And I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. If you've been struggling with watch hours, please, I urge you, watch this video. It's very important. I posted a single video on this channel, and because of some strategies I just found out recently, I applied it on this particular video. And guys, the video blew up, and in just 3 days, this channel was able to gather over 4,000 watch hours. I'm going to show you everything in this video, guys. But first of all, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to accumulate this massive result on this particular channel, right? So recently I found out a strategy that helps you get 4,000 watch hours in a matter of days. Some persons is one video, some persons is 2 videos. That's the list, okay? And you will get your 4,000 watch hours in no time. But please, disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme kind of project. It is a simple strategy that I apply on the videos and I get results. So don't think it's a get rich quick kind of scheme. But is it working? Yes. Is it legit? Yes. Does YouTube recommend it? Yes. Is it monetizable? Yes. With all that being said, I'll be showing you this video. So this is the video right here. This video was able to accumulate 16,450 views, guys. And you all know that to get your 4,000 watch hours, if your average view duration is 1 minute per viewer, you will need about 240,000 views, right? The only time you will need a very low amount of views is when your average view is 5 minutes. That is when you need about 42,000 people to watch your videos. But this one got just 16,400 views, guys, and it had 4,600 watch hours. That means as at 14,000, this video already had 4,000 watch hours. Don't you want to see what I did here, or what the strategy I'm talking about in this video? I know you want to see it. I'm so excited because this is going to help a lot of people. Now, there are a lot of people that have been stuck on YouTube for years. This is going to actually help you fix that issue. First of all, let me show you how viewers found this video, because I know some of you will be saying, is this even legit? Is this video good or not? Because really, I would not blame you if you have that question. A lot of people are going around using bot engagement, fake engagement, as in bot traffic, robotic things just to get watch hours, and YouTube flags and frowns on all those patterns. So that's why I'm showing you how viewers found this video first, before I show you the massive result and how I was able to get these watch hours just within 3 days. Now look at it. It said how viewers found this video. YouTube recommendations. It's only with YouTube recommendations that your video can actually get up to 1K, 10K, 100K views. Do you understand? So YouTube is actually recommending these videos. And yeah, these are other traffic source like the YouTube features and all of that. YouTube search is even appearing in search, playlist, external channel pages. Now let's go back. Now that I have that, look at the average audience retention for this particular video. That is the average view duration, 16 minutes 58 seconds, guys. That is like 17 minutes of watch time from a single video. Why will you not get 4,000 watch hours? You will definitely get it. Now let me show you how the views came. This is 16,000, okay? So I posted this video. The first time I posted it, it was April 13th. This is a mobile version. I don't know what's wrong with the desktop side. It's not working. So I had to use mobile version to record this video, because I know you want to hear the excitement regardless. But I posted this video April 13th. And as at April 14th, I had about 735 views. Now, as at April 14th, 2,400 views. April 15th, I had about 8,700 views. And as at April 16th, I had about 14,300 views on this video. And yeah, till April 16th, 11:35 p.m., 16,000 views. These are suggested video. That is the top source of views on this video. So this is not bot, it's not robotic, it's not fake engagement farm or whatever. Now let's go to the watch hours that I accumulated from this. 4,600, guys. Now this is when I posted the video. April 13th, I had about 4.7 watch hours. April 13th, 9:35 p.m., right? It was already 4.7 watch hours. Now, as at April 14th, the next day, was already at 150 watch hours, right? And this is just the next day, 5:28. April 15th, it was already 1,731 watch hours. That's like 2 days already from that April 13th to post 13, 14, 15th, right? That's 2 days. Now, look at it. April 15th, that same day, it was already at 3,200. From 1,007, it's climbed up to 3,200, guys. And as at April 16th, we already had 4,047 watch hours. It's massive, guys. Look at it. This was how the videos got a lot of views and yeah, it was able to monetize this channel. So a single video was able to do this. Now, some of you have been on YouTube for so many years. Some of you have been struggling for months, for years to monetize your channel, and it's not been working. But this actually can help you, right? So guys, additionally, I've tried this on my own channel, right? Now, this is my other channel. This is the video where I got this watch hours. Let me show you. Look at it. This video got 26,000 views, right? Now look at the YouTube recommendations again. 25,000 views. Direct and unknown 779. Look at it. The average view duration for this particular one was 9 minutes 2 seconds. That one was 17 minutes just now, right? This one is 9 minutes 2 seconds. Okay. Now look at the watch hour I got from this particular video, guys. 4,000 watch hours. Let me open it so you can see how many. 4,047 watch hours from a single video. A video that is less than 30,000 views, guys. So this is actually working, and it's not a hack, it's not a trick, but it's a step-by-step strategy. Okay, it's not get rich quick. Don't come and say Joy is offering you get rich quick scheme or something. No, this is a strategy by the books, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is how I got the watch hours. Let me show you. As at April 11th, I had about 9.4 watch hours. Okay, let me take it up. April 12th, I had about 2,920 watch hours, right? And as at April 13th, I had about 3,500 watch hours. And as at April 14th, guys, I had about 4,024 watch hours. So mine was basically 4 days. April 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So mine was basically 4 days. And then the subscriber I tried it for on the other, on my last slide, was just 3 days. So it gets better. I have a channel where it was just 2 days, right? So this strategy is so good that I wouldn't mind trying it out for you watching me right now, because I understand what watch hours is on YouTube and how stressful it can be. Okay, why there are others that are waiting for their watch hours to show in the end section. Okay, so if you are sitting right there watching this video and you'll be thinking how you can get your watch hours even though you'll be posting and nothing is moving, right? This is actually going to fix that. Okay, I need you to reach out to me, right? But there are some things you need to take note. If you are serious about trying this out, of course, as you've seen me show you all of the results, let me tell you what to do and how to go about reaching me, okay, and getting yours. Now, this pattern and strategy is not some random free trick, okay, that you should just test once and forget. Is honestly some of the channels I had to do like 2 videos, right? I said it before. There's no one magic video. If your first video doesn't go viral, the second one will do. Do you understand? If your first video can give you the 4,000, then we don't need to do a second video. This is out of the way. This is the disclaimer I want you to know. Before you reach out to me, guys, please make sure you have a few things in place already. First, you should have at least 300 to 500 subscribers. Do you understand? You should have that. And second of all, your channel should have at least 10 to 15 public videos, not videos that are in private. Public videos, like long form videos, not shorts. If you are posting shorts, I'm afraid this might not really work for you. But for long form videos, if you have 10 to 15 videos, then you should please come ahead. Then the third thing you should know is that this service is not free. It's actually a paid service, okay? But it's not expensive either, but it's paid. Do you understand? So when you come across this video and it sounds like something that you're ready for, that you want to do for your channel, you can actually reach out to me. First of all, like this video, write in this comment section of this video, say I'm interested, and then you will see a link of my Telegram channel on this particular video in the description section. Just click on that link and meet me up and just say, hi Joy, I'm interested in watch hours, and I will know that you came from this particular video. You have to drop it in this video first and then go to Telegram and drop it, and we'll move on from there, guys. So this is working, and yeah, I'm happy to be sharing this with you guys. So this is it. Please share this video so that others can actually get a hold of this. Thank you for watching, guys. Additionally, there will be a special offer for all my Telegram members. Okay, so go to Telegram and let me know, but leave a comment here first.